Right, we're back. We're back again. It is a pretty shitty day outside. Me and Jayden were just sitting at home thinking, what should we do today? Weren't we, bud?
Yeah.
And we thought, I've got the best idea ever. Here he is. So, we've loaded the van up with the pit bikes. Yep. We've got our wet weather gear and we're going to ride through some puddles.
Yeah, we're doing some puddles. We're getting up slippy hills. It's going to be the best day ever. It's raining. It's going to be cool. It's going to be the best day ever.
What are we doing?
We're doing enduro. It is going to be a slippy day. And it's going to be sick.
Yep.
Doing some hill climbs. Old JD got a bit further than I thought he would. How'd you like that? Was that fun?
Yeah, let's do some more.
Alright, go do some more. Phew. What happened?
I accidentally got off my line and then I fall down, then I was rolling down.
Yeah.
And then it was a weird day.
Yeah, right. How do you like hard enduro?
Good, but not better than supercross and motocross.
Okay, let's go. What happened, bro? Oh, are you for real?
This is a bad day. Good day, good.
Yeah, good day, not a bad day.
Yeah, good day.
Good boy.
I got this big giant rock. Now it's going to go in the air. Got a stick too. Guys, look for some yabbies.
Where do you reckon the crabs live?
Have you seen someone? Let's walk up.
Any crabs?
Nah. Are you feeling so I can fall in?
No, I don't want you to fall in.
I think
Where are you going?
you do. Here, get some water.
You're gonna fall in over there. It looks slippery down them rocks.
See, it's not. Get some water. Put them on my hands. Then put them on my face. Good. That's good.
Alright, let's go. Oh,
And not now. Not in crocodiles, bro. Give me on this, Dad.
alright, let's go get the bikes.
Dad, can you give me on this? Dad, stop filming.
Let's go.
I need so much water, bro.
Let's go get a drink.
That bad. See ya.
All right, so we're out here. Still got
Yeah.
water on his head.
Yep.
We thought, how much fun we're having. Let's make a video.
Yep.
Yeah?
It's gonna be sick, this video. It's gonna be the best video ever.
It is.
In the bush.
In the bush. We're in the bush today on our pit bikes because it was raining at home, a bit shitty. Didn't know what we wanted to do. So we decided, let's go try and get up some hills. Let's go through some puddles and have some fun. Having fun so far, aren't we? Let's go, bro.
Let's go.
Right, that was a pretty hard hill climb.
Yeah.
You want me to run me through what you did, what your technique was?
Yeah, it was very good.
How'd you get traction?
In a hill, you have to put it in first gear.
Sit your butt back there.
Then you have to put your back, your bum back, then you have to wheelie it, then you have to, yeah, you know.
That's good, brah. Well done.
Give me $100.
Right, turn around now because he's off. He's had a crash. I don't know how, but he's on flat road. Here he is. What happened?
I think I took the front. It was on the wall like that, and it looks like I was doing a big scrub.
You look like you were doing a big scrub.
Yeah, it was down like that,
Yeah.
and then my front was like that, and I was like a big scrub.
And you tucked the front, huh?
Yeah,
Again.
yeah, again.
You know what I'm going to have to start calling you?
Chase Sexton.
Yeah, Chase Sexton, bruh. Alright, let's get this back started and we'll continue on.
Let's go.
Rightio. Here he is. Definitely beats staying indoors today. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can hear me, but we were gonna, go to like an indoor fun park. And it would have been packed, kids everywhere. I was like, you know what? Let's go bush. We loaded the pit bikes up and we're gone bush. Heaps better. He's up. Well done. Right, we found this little circle jump track that we're gonna ride before we go. We're going to do a race start. Ready, set, go. Oh, that was a foul on the beach. Here he comes. Little Sarah 50 in the sand. Let's see how she handles. Oh God, look at the suspension. Oh! Oh, he's down. He's down. What happened?
I touched the front like Chase Sexton like 100 times.
Oh, you're living up to your nickname. You have to change that number to number 4, mate.
No.
Here we go. How'd you go, bruh?
Good bro, what are you doing?
What happened? All right, how'd you go?
Good.
What do you reckon?
Back there was
What-
a new tucker footer.
Little tucker fronter. What do you reckon, but was that better than going to flip out or inflatable world?
Yeah, way better, but.
Told ya. It's always fun on the bikes, especially in the bush. Woo. Right, we're back. We're back to the van. Now, Jayden doesn't know it yet, but
What do you mean?
he has a leech on his neck. Over the back. Get it off, get it off.
Where?
Get it off. It's around here.
Is it?
Chicken.
Oh, shut up.
We've seen one in there on my tyre. It's like, oh no, get it, Dad. I hate leeches. Me too, but I think I'm allergic to them, to be honest. Where is he? He was on the wheel. Must have flung off. Oh well. What do you reckon? No leeches?
No today.
No leeches today, which means it was good. Off to get some lunch, huh?
Yeah, we're going to get some lunch. And Papa, let's get some
Pub.
food.
Gonna get some food. I feel like a steak.